Hi, welcome. This is Lab 1, PLC Wiring. Purpose of this lab is wire cable to control the pneumatic system. This is the shut-up valve and regulator control the air coming into the system. The air is used to control the actuators. There is a single acting actuator. And below is the double acting actuator. The single acting actuator is controlled by two ways, two positions valve. And the double acting actuator is controlled by the 5 ways, 3 positions valve. The pneumatic system valves and sensors are powered by the 24-volt DC power supply. The PLC inputs, outputs, commons, and the negative of the 24-volt power supply are all connected. As we can see, valves and sensors are powered using red cables. Blue cables connect the sensor signals to the PLC inputs. The sensors will send signals to the PLC whenever the actuators extend or retract. White cables connect the PLC relay outputs to pneumatic valves. To activate the pneumatic valve, the PLC activates the output relay to complete the circuit and energize the valve solenoid. After double-checking all the wiring and ensuring everything is connected correctly, let's see the system in action. The black button is connected to the PLC input. When you press the black button, the PLC will start the system. As observed, when the single-acting actuator is fully retracted, its sensors send a signal to the PLC. This activates the valve to extend the double-acting actuator, causing it to extend and retract twice. Upon its second full extension, the sensor signals the PLC, which then prompts the valve to retract the actuator. Once fully retracted, the PLC activates the single-acting actuator again. Press the red button to stop the system.
Now it's stopped.
Thank you for watching.